Bonjour French 1. This is your section 3.1 pronunciation practice about using adjectives in sentences. This is pronunciation practice, so you are going to need to record yourself repeating after me. So take a moment. If you want to, you could always preview the video first, but most of this is going to be you repeating after me or reading what's on the screen. But if you want to preview it one time through and then come back, when you're ready, make sure that you use Screencastify and hit record and begin repeating after me and the pauses provided. So the way I wanted to go about this is I'm actually going to have you say all 4 phrases that are our sentences that are on the screen first, repeating after me. And then we're going to start by having me ask the question and you give the answer. So go ahead and try it here with my son Nevin's picture here. The first thing I need to do is go through all 4 sentences and have you repeat after me. If you wanted to ask what is the boy like, you would ask comment est le garçon? Did you repeat comment est le garçon in the blank there, the pause? If not, get on board with this next one. If you just wanted to ask what is he like, you would ask il est comment? If you need to answer by saying he is cute, you'll say il est mignon. And if you want to say he has brown eyes, you say il a les yeux marrons. Now, if you need to go ahead and pause your recording for a minute and rewind and practice those over again, you can, or you can go ahead and give it your best shot. What we're going to do now is I'm going to ask the first question, and I need you to give the first answer. Then I'm going to ask the second question, and I need you to give the second answer. So you are no longer repeating, you are responding, but you're responding by using exactly what's in front of you on the screen, exactly what you just said about 30 seconds ago. So it's very easy. It's just going to make it seem a little bit more conversational. So if I were to say comment est le garçon, you should say this right here. Did you say il est mignon? If not, get on board for the next one. If I were to ask il est comment, you would need to answer with this. All right, let's try the same thing with a new page here. Now we're talking about my daughter Hannah. Again, we'll repeat all of these and then we'll go through and I'll ask the question and you give the answer, but let's start by repeating after me. The way you say what is the girl like is comment est la fille? If you want to ask what is she like, it's just elle est comment. If you need to answer by saying she is smart and dark-haired or brunette, you would say elle est intelligente et brune. And if you needed to say she's neither tall nor short, you would say elle n'est ni grande ni petite. All right, let's try the question answer thing again. So if I ask you the first question, you give the first answer, second question, second answer. So if I say comment est la fille, you say and if I ask elle est comment, you say another round here with Maisie. Again, let's repeat all of these, starting with what is the girl like? Comment est la fille? What is she like is elle est comment? She is cute is elle est mignonne. And this is a long one. She has brown eyes and brown hair. Elle a les yeux marrons et les cheveux bruns. All right, so let's try that question and answer technique. If I ask you comment est la fille, you answer with this first sentence now. And if I ask elle est comment, you answer with the second sentence now. All right, last page. I need you to be able to ask questions about multiple people. So if you want to say, what are the people like? You would say, comment sont les gens? Or if you just want to say, what are they like? Ils sont comment? If you want to say they are cute and awesome, you would say, ils sont mignons et génial. And if you want to say they're dark-haired or brunette, you would say, ils sont bruns. And last round of the question answer. If I were to ask the first question, comment sont les gens? You would answer using this first sentence now. And if I were to ask, ils sont comment? You would answer using the second sentence now. So at this point in time, you can go ahead and hit stop on this video, stop on your recording, and don't forget to attach it to your assignment so that you can get full credit for your pronunciation practice.